friends, let's learn colors and fruits together. Look at all of the colorful bowls we've got.
Wow!
The first bowl is blue. Where do you think we should put it? Maybe here in the dragon fruit? I don't think so. An avocado? No. Right here, into the blueberry. Yes. Oh, wow. Look, it turned into a real blueberry. Look how small it is actually in real life. This toy is magical. It turns wooden fruits into real life fruits. Do you want to learn more about blueberries? Did you know that blueberries grow on bushes like most of other little berries? They need sunlight, water, and help from bees to turn them into yummy blueberries you can eat. Do you know the name of this color? Yes, it's pink. Now, where do you think we should put it? In the pineapple? Watermelon? No, it goes into a pink strawberry. Oh wow, it turned into a real strawberry. In real life, strawberries are actually red. Strawberries grow on low plants with green leaves and white flowers. They start as tiny green berries and get red and sweet when they're ready to eat. And you can find them in gardens or at the store. Do you love eating yummy strawberries? I definitely do. Next color is going to be orange. Should we put it in star fruit? No, it goes into an orange. Whoa, here's a big, delicious, real orange. Look at how pretty it is. Do you want to see what orange looks like on the inside? Wow, look at it. It is so sweet and juicy. Do you know where oranges come from? Oranges grow on tall trees with green leaves. They turn orange and juicy in warm places with lots of sun. Do you know the color of this ball? It's brown, correct. Where does it go? No. Yes, it goes into avocado. There it is! A real avocado! Let's open it up and see. Avocados have green, yummy flesh and a big brown bone in the middle. Avocados are delicious fruits that grow on big trees. They like to grow in places with warm and sunny weather, like in Mexico or California. Now, I will pick a green bowl. Where should we put it? In the pineapple? No, it goes into a star fruit. Ta-da! Here's what a star fruit looks like in real life. It's green or yellow on the outside, and when you cut it in the middle, you can actually see that it looks like a star, and the seeds inside look like they have two eyes. Look at how cute! Two little stars. Star fruits grow on trees and are usually found in tropical places with lots of sun and warm weather, like in countries near equator. When you cut a star fruit crosswise, it looks like a star, and you can eat it because it's sweet and delicious. Next color is purple, correct. And it goes into a dragon fruit. Whoa! Look at this dragon fruit! Have you ever seen it in real life? Look at how beautiful it is on the inside. When you cut it open, it can be white or purple on the inside with tiny black seeds. Dragon fruits grow on cactus-like plants with big, colorful flowers. They love to grow in places with warm weather, like in Asia and Central America. When they're ripe, you can eat their sweet and yummy flesh with tiny black seeds. On the inside, they can be white or purple. What's our next color? It's red. And it goes into a watermelon. Whoa! Do you see how big the watermelon is? Watermelons are red or pink on the inside with tiny white or black seeds. Watermelons grow on vines that spread on the ground, and they love warm and sunny places. You can often find them in gardens or on farms where they get lots of sun, and when they're ripe, they are big, green on the outside, and have sweet and juicy red or pink flesh inside. That's perfect to eat on a hot day. Our last color is yellow. And of course, it goes into a pineapple. Whoa! Here's a real pineapple. On the outside, pineapples can be yellow, orange, or green. But once you cut it open, it's yellow. It is so sweet and juicy. They grow in tropical places with lots of sun and rain. They grow from a plant that looks like a spiky rosette. And the sweet, juicy fruit grows in the middle of the plant. Let's repeat all fruits we learned today. We have blueberry, strawberry, orange, avocado, star fruit, dragon fruit, watermelon, and pineapple. Thank you so much for playing with me, and don't forget to eat lots of fruits. They're very tasty and nutritious.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. See you next time!